Hello students, welcome back to Simple English with Ivy Cat. Today we are going to level up your English with some advanced adjectives. These words don't just replace very, they make you sound natural, sharp, and confident. Native speakers use them all the time. Let's start with happiness. Instead of just saying, I'm very happy, you could say, I'm delighted. That's polite, classy happiness. Imagine your boss says you've been promoted. You don't say, cool. You say, I'm delighted. It sounds professional. Now let's look at this one. Ecstatic. That's extreme happiness. Picture this. You win a 10,000 travel voucher. You're not just happy, you're ecstatic. Can you feel the difference? Then we have blissful. That's peaceful, calm happiness. Like sitting on the beach with no emails, no deadlines, just you, the waves, and maybe an ice cream. Blissful. Which one would you use if your friend bought you your favorite snack after a tough day? Delighted? Ecstatic? Blissful? Drop it in the comments. Now let's move to the darker side. Anger. Let's start with irate. This is formal, powerful anger. Think of a customer yelling in a store because their order is wrong. That's an irate customer. Then we have exasperated. This is annoyed because something keeps happening again and again. Like when your Wi-Fi disconnects during an important Zoom call. You feel exasperated. The last one is resentful. This is quieter anger. Maybe your colleague gets credit for your idea at work. You don't shout, but deep down you feel resentful. Have you ever been exasperated with technology? Let's spice things up with surprise. Flabbergasted. It's not just surprise, it's shock. If your friend suddenly tells you they are moving to another country tomorrow, you'd be flabbergasted. Then we have astonished, a bit lighter. Imagine your shy friend sings karaoke and they're amazing. You'd be astonished. The last one is bewildered. That's confused surprise. Like when you open IKEA instructions and can't even find step 1. That's me, totally bewildered. Which one of these happened to you recently? English itself can feel tricky. Here are words for difficulty. Complicated. A math problem with 5 steps. Complicated. Intricate. Something detailed, like a piece of jewelry or a design. You'd say, this necklace has an intricate pattern. Perplexing. That's when something is confusing your brain. For example, I find the train timetable perplexing. Why does it always change? Let's talk about size. Enormous. It means very big. Like an enormous pizza. One slice could feed 3 people. Then we have countless. This means so many you can't even count. I've received countless emails today and none of them were fun. Minuscule. This means very tiny. Picture an ant carrying a minuscule crumb across your kitchen. Try replacing very small with minuscule in your next sentence today. Finally, let's look at describing people. Charismatic. This is someone with charm and energy. You just want to listen to them. Think of your favorite actor or speaker. Stubborn. When someone refuses to change their mind. Like your friend who insists pineapple belongs on pizza. Stubborn. Lastly, we have empathetic. This is deep understanding of others' feelings. Imagine your best friend listens to you after a tough day, nods and truly gets it. That's empathy. Who in your life is charismatic, stubborn, or empathetic? So today we unlocked advanced adjectives for happiness, anger, surprise, difficulty, size, and people. Here is your mini practice task. Take 3 boring sentences and upgrade them. For example, the problem is very hard. The problem is perplexing. Try it right now in the comments and I'll give you feedback. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's still stuck saying very good. Let's help them level up together. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.